Hi, I'm Sherry, and I love working for your daughter. You already know she rocks. But she wanted me to make this little video for you so you would know how to use your new hydrogen machine. The hydrogen is awesome. It's an anti-inflammatory in the system. It's an antioxidant in the system. And it's going to help get that inflammation down in your body. People also notice better vision, clearer skin, better thinking. So it's great. We love it around here. So a couple of things to know about the machine itself. It comes with one of these little canisters. This is just cold, regular old tap water. And you've got to keep these with the water cold because they actually cool the hydrogen the machine is making as you're inhaling it. So a little bit about this. But it fits right in here like that. There's a little hole there for it to fit in, and it sits right on there like that. There's another place that this thing takes water, and that is at the top. And there's a little line in here, and this is very important. It doesn't matter if that's cold or not, but you need to have a bottle of distilled water on hand. And so you've got to fill that up to where the line is. There's a white line in there. So you want to fill that up. And that, again, that doesn't matter if it's cold. Oh, this one, I forgot to say, you want to make sure you keep it right at the line. You don't want it over the line because it'll start coming through the tube and your nasal cannula is going to get in there. So a typical treatment of this is 30 minutes. So you turn on the power and you can adjust the time by going up, and it automatically goes up 5 by 5 minutes or down by 5 minutes. We just keep it at 30 and it stays there. And you just have to plug it in, set it for 30 minutes. This is the power, and this will actually start and stop it. And then I want to show you how you're going to put on your nasal cannula. So you'll keep these. You want to make sure we just keep them in Ziploc plastic bags with our names on them. You just want to make sure they don't get kinked. So you want to make sure they are that when you are done with them, that you roll them up nice and neatly. So you take your cannula out of the baggie, and you see these two things that obviously go in your nostrils. So you're going to, and they also are curved. So they curve up a little bit. So you want to make sure that they're the most comfortable direction for your nose. So you're going to put these right in your nostrils there, and you're going to put them up over your ears and under your chin like this. And here's a thing here that slides up and down. You may need to make room for your face before you put this on. And then it just fits nicely like that. And it doesn't have to be too tight. And then you take your other end here, and this goes on the top. So you want to hold on to this. Make sure you get it on there pretty snug, but not too snug. And then you will simply then start. This begins to bubble, and it's making the hydrogen in here, cooling it off through here, and you just breathe normally. And then it'll automatically stop after the 30 minutes. If you need to, you can always pause it and recontinue if you have to get up for some reason. And it will beep pretty loudly when it's finished. And then you can just turn it off. And we like to also wipe down our nasal cannulas with alcohol swabs when we're done with them. So you might want to have some, just your regular isopropyl, 80% isopropyl alcohol nearby. Couple of things, you can drain this top part out. There is a drain right here, so there's a little lever. You would turn it down, and if you want to drain it and empty it every now and then, that's probably a good idea. But you want to check it every day that it's full enough. And then we've noticed that we do need to clean these out every once in a while. So dump them out, let it dry, and you may need to use just simple dishwasher soap and water solution is great. So yeah, I think I covered everything. Enjoy. Oh, and you can use it every day if you want to. So once a day would be great. We try to use them here a few times a week at least. But yeah, you can definitely use it every day to keep your inflammation down. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.